All right, hello friends and followers. Before me you see a 6AL5 tube, which I think in my case either the filaments were not working or the tube was shorted internally, but it would get awful hot. Not sure why, but anyway, what I'm trying to do here is simply get the VOX circuit working in the Central Electronics 100V, and indeed the VOX circuit is now working. I can talk, and you'll see the meter is moving up when I whistle. So it is actually now using voice to transmit with the transmitter by going into transmit mode with the voice. Anyway, here's the 6AL5 circuit, and what I did was just jumped it out with diodes. So here's a picture of what I did. So you can see where those diodes are, and that works just ducky smooth. So pin 1 starts pretty much there, and it goes around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyway, that's what I did. I'm gonna solder those onto the bottom of the tube socket and put tape over the socket or something, I don't know. But anyway, that is a successful elimination of a 6AL5 rectifier tube. So I'm really happy to see that tube go. I'm not going to have any type of worry about its demise. It is going to go into file 13 pretty quick here. In fact, you can witness the event. Whoops, I missed. How could I miss? Anyway, in it goes. That's the end of that tube. I'm just going to solder these diodes in and call it a day. So when you put these diodes in, it's tricky in that it doesn't follow your senses, in that when a tube works, electrons are going from boiling off from the heater here, and they're going to the plate. So this is the cathode, this is the plate. The electrons are going this way, so negative charge is going that way. However, the diode works with positive charge, so you want to put the diodes up here in the place of most positive, and they go negative. So the diode looks like a pointer, so the pointer points this way. So indeed, you'll see these diodes go from pin 2 to pin 8, pin 2 to pin 5, and pin 7 to pin 1. And let me see, here's some diodes here. So they go like this. I'm trying to find some. Okay, yeah. So here they are, and they go sort of like that. The line on the diode, the alignment line is facing the cathode. So that's how you put them in. They're flowing that way. They're always flowing from plate to cathode, because plate is most positive and the cathode is basically always wanting negative, or it's pulling electrons off the cathode. So that's how you do it. I had them in backwards as I kept putting them in the way the tube went. I thought, wait a minute, it's got to go high charge to low charge, or high potential to low potential. So that's how it works, and indeed it does work. So that knocks off another problem with this radio, this transmitter. I got to fix 10 meters. I need a 47.7 crystal, and I need a 20 meter Joe Bachelor broadband coil to make 20 work. And that finishes off this radio as far as using it, transmitting it, admiring its 1958 styling. Oh, I still got to fix this tube here. I ordered a tube here, a 2-inch tube. These are like new old stock from World War II days, so I'll put a tube in here and hopefully get that working, and that will finish this thing off. So here's the mic again. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 1 2. Anyway, the mic isn't that great, but I can key it now with VOX. Testing with VOX 1, 2. And then there's a release control here. So if I turn up the release control, which one is that? Release time. Okay, this one's release time. So let's nail it all the way up. There, now it's on full release time. It should slow the meter down from kicking off. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. I would like a little more release time on it, but I guess I gotta change the capacitor that I made it a 4.7 from a 6. I guess I could put in 2 capacitors in parallel and probably get a good release. Here is no release time, no release time, no release time, no release time, none. So that's not good. So I think I want to increase the release time with a better capacitor, with more capacitance. There's about halfway there. Testing 1, 2. Test 1, 2. That's somewhat reasonable. I would just keep it nailed. And there we go. Full release time 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't change it much. Okay, that's my demo again on how to replace a 6A05 tube with 2 diodes. It's pretty simple. Have at it. Thanks for watching. There's the 6A05. Goodbye, 6A05. Have a great day.